lang inorganize yun. So, mahal na mahal ka talaga ng... So, 87%.
Yan, isa yan. Kasi, yan, anong nagagawa ko sa buhay ko?
Alat po,
Ganun
sir.
Pinagsilbihan mo kami siya.
Fishing. Sobra po. Sir,
Pinagsilbihan mo kami ng totoo.
ako 24 pa lang. Pero ang dami, sir, sa amin na parang this is the first time we felt like our government cared for us. I mean, no offense. No, kasi ngayon pa ako nang hindi nag-offend. No offense to the previous, but parang for many of us, this is the first time we felt that there was a government really caring for us. In many ways, sir, for some it's the drug war. For some, it's a build. Ang daming reasons. And it's all in this book. As yung segue. Na maraming, yung ibang OFW, sir, marami dyan, sir, OFWs nagbigay kahit na, hindi naman sila mayaman, but nagbigay sila kasi na-feel nila na, lalo yung one-stop shop, yung parang na-feel nila na parang, sir, your promise was a comfortable life for all Filipinos. That's what, you didn't want a grand, you didn't promise